Hey everyone, have you ever wondered if there's more out there than just waiting for a single airdrop? What if I told you that this September, you could be cashing in on not one, not two, but 5 different bots? Imagine prepping your wallet for not just Hamster Combat on the 26th, but 4 other incredible airdrops. Are you ready to level up your crypto game? While many of us are glued to our screens, eagerly waiting for September 26th to roll around, some savvy users are already stacking up their earnings, getting ready to withdraw from not just Hamster Combat, but 3 other airdrops too. And guess what? You still have time to jump in. September isn't just any month. It's a gold mine for those who know where to look. 4 bots, 4 different airdrops, and endless opportunities to grow your earnings. While Hamster Combat is definitely the main event on the 26th, there are 3 other bots that you can start working on right now. And by the end of the month, you could have your wallet overflowing with rewards. Let's talk about the first bot, Rocky Rapid. Coming up on September 23rd, this bot is already generating a buzz. With high trading volumes and strong community support, it's set to see a significant price jump once it lists. All you need to do is stay consistent. Complete the daily challenges, level up your cards, and watch as your hourly earnings skyrocket. If you haven't started yet, don't worry. You can still catch up. Focus on unlocking those higher levels. Each one brings you closer to the giant championship card, which is your ticket to big rewards. Trust me, this is one you don't want to miss. Next up, we have Battle Bills, set to release its airdrop in just 15 days. This bot works a lot like Hamster Combat, with its daily puzzles and card collection. But here's the twist. This bot rewards consistency. Complete the daily tasks and make sure to convert all your coins into hourly earnings. The more you focus on this, the bigger your payout when the airdrop hits. Now for one of my personal favorites, Cats. This bot is a sleeper hit. It's simple, but that's its power. Just complete a one-time set of tasks and you're done. No need to check in daily. Just set it and forget it until it's time to cash out. With over 16 million users, the surprise airdrop could happen anytime within the next 10 days, and the potential earnings? Huge. You've got all these opportunities in front of you. September is shaping up to be the month of multiple airdrops, and if you play your cards right, you could be cashing out from 4 different sources. But there's one more bot you need to know about. The final bot is TawMarket, and it's about to drop in just 2 days. This one's all about farming. Collect coins every 3 hours and solve daily puzzles. The payouts are frequent, and if you keep up with it, you could be one of the first to grab your earnings once the airdrop goes live. It's a race against time, so don't miss out. So there you have it. 4 bots, 4 airdrops, and endless opportunities this September. If you've been waiting on just one bot, now's the time to expand your horizons. Get your wallets ready, complete those tasks, and prepare to see your earnings multiply like never before. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrops, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.